Oh my God, this new listing that has just came in. Property lovers, you can't miss this. This property costs just under 2.3 million in Altea Vella, Spain. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back, property lovers, with a new video tour. We are located in Spain, exactly to say Costa Blanca, urbanization, Altea, La Vella. We are on the top bit of the mountain, but when I say on the top, don't think that it's like half an hour to get up all the way. It's actually just 10 minutes away down to the beach. So you live in a place with a lot of sea views and mountains, and plus you are close to the old town and to the sea. But let's get into the details of the home. This property has a total of 2,100 square meters of plot. It has 378 square meters built on 2 floors. The whole front bit has the swimming pool with literally breathtaking views, like it's spectacular. And it has a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms upstairs, and then the master bedroom downstairs is incredible. It's got like this garden view, you'll see it. And then on this side, you have the garage. Down here, you can fit a total, I calculated, around 13 cars with the garage. So let's go and look inside, because you'll be amazed with the materials. Whoa, this is what I like. Unique. The marble floor is just grabbing all of the attention of how shiny it is. You have this beautiful staircase going all the way up to the top, chandeliers dangling down. You're surrounded about glass windows, so you have a lot of natural light. You have the living room looking out to these outstanding views into the terrace. You have the sofa here in L. Love the style, with the television and wooden fireplace on the bottom. On this side, you have the dining table with the chandelier on top, and then right behind me there is this beautiful black modern kitchen. First thing you have is this big wide walk-in wardrobe, loads of space, and then you come to the wow moment. Look at this. Inside the bedroom, you have pure oasis. I love that you have this bright green just shining into you when you wake up, and you have the sea on the background. You have the bed over here with the black carpet, so it's nice and cozy. You have the terrace looking out also to mountain and sea views, and just look how big this bathroom is. This is what I'd call a spacious bathroom. It gives you this nice free feeling, because most of the times the bathrooms are quite small. You have 2 sinks with a round circle mirror. I don't know if you can see, this is a masterpiece of marble. It goes all the way from the top down to the bottom. You also have the LED lights going around, and then you have this big shower rainfall coming from the roof. Let's check out upstairs. On the top floor, there's a total of 2 bedrooms. They both have a terrace, and they have outstanding views looking out to Altea and to the mountains. And up here, there's 1 bathroom. You come out to this great big terrace. It has actually a balustrade of glass, so you can carry on seeing your views. That's so important that we can't take them away, because we don't really have houses in front, so it gives you that floaty feeling. And then you have this nice, beautiful stairs going down to the swimming pool. And over here, we go to the other side of the terrace. And I have to speak about the floor. This grey stone gives it such a nice feeling. You have a brand new jacuzzi at 40 degrees. I think I'm going to have to bring it down because it's quite hot. We're looking over to the mountains, Altea Hills. It's one of the most expensive urbanizations here in the area. And you're still looking out to the mountain views where you can see the sunset. Now it's time to look at the swimming pool shots. You have to admit, this is the view of a king. It's beautiful. From even where you're looking at, I love the style. But if you're looking from here, you've got these breathtaking views that really leave you outstanding. We come out to the main terrace with the swimming pool. It has this greeny colour. It's not a lot of pools are like this. It's infinity, so the water's going over. And then here we have the second terrace. That's perfect to chill, where the sun is hitting you all day. Viewers, thank you very much for watching. Check out this playlist to carry on watching more houses this style. And leave me in the comment section your feedback. What do you think about it? What is it what you most liked about this home? And also, hit the like button and subscribe to not miss not one video. People, viewers, property lovers, I see you in the next video. Take care.